Hello folks, welcome to Gurrutechsolutions. Teaching is a noble profession and many of us take it as career since it allows us to stay up to date with the trends in world. At the same time, teaching is hectic job. As we are living in the era of AI, therefore, in today's video we will be exploring 4 best AI tools for teachers. From personalized lesson plans to real-time student feedback, these cutting-edge tools revolutionize the classroom experience. Stay ahead in the world of education technology and discover how AI is reshaping teaching methods. Elevate your teaching game with these innovative tools designed to make learning more engaging and effective. Without further delay, let's dive into AI tool number 1. First of all, open your web browser and in search bar type elena.us. Then hit enter. This will take you to the official page of this AI tool. I am scrolling down. You can see the interface looks like this. Here you can see some of the highlights, what this AI can do for you. This AI has been designed to make life of educators easier, since it allows you to upload your document and interact with them. Besides, it talks about a prompt library. Again, this is a unique feature as we haven't noticed prompt library in various AI tools available including ChatGPT, Google Bard and Bing. Likewise, this AI offers tailored teaching tools that can be used to create standard-aligned curriculum, such as lesson plan, unit plan. Besides, it also creates quizzes, various activities, and many more. Moreover, it allows to collaborate with other teachers and organize your resources in Drive. To begin, I will click Get Started. Once you click, it will ask you to sign in first. For that, I am using my Google account. Let me input my ID and password. Then you will land here to set up your profile. I will input my first name and last name as well. And then I will describe my role as a teacher. Besides, you can upload your picture. Click Next, then you have to write your workspace name. And then again, it asks to describe workspace. It gives you different options. From here I will choose school. Then hit enter and here you can write your email address. Then again, it asks your role. I will define my role as a teacher. You can choose yours as per your role. I click Next. Finally, we will land on this page. This app is extremely user-friendly and looks beautiful. Most AI tools for teachers are superficial and create content that might be out of context and primitive in nature. But Elena AI lets the teacher work with it at each stage of the content generation process. Besides, this lets users create customized and usable content. This is the AI chat feature of Elena. You can see predefined prompt. The AI chat feature comes with prompt library with hundreds of useful prompts. However, AI tools like ChatGPT and others lack this feature, and this stands Elena apart from rest of the tools we came across so far. Here comes the chat bar where you can type your prompt to ask anything you want from Elena AI. Moreover, it allows to upload file attachments and ask the AI related questions. Besides, you can import documents from Google Drive and ask AI related questions. More importantly, it even allows to speak to the chat with mic, and further it provides you an opportunity to paste link of any website or document to interact with. Let's explore further the prompt library. And let me ask about classroom management techniques. By clicking it allows you to choose prompts from predefined prompts. Let's suppose I want to develop a classroom management plan that outline rules, consequences, and reward. By clicking this, AI will generate complete classroom management techniques outline that focuses on consequences and rewards pertaining to classroom management. In this way you can use this AI tool for various purposes by choosing prompts from the library. The interesting part is that it allows you to share chats as link with your colleagues and fellows. Besides, chat history is stored as well, which can later be accessed. Now, let's move towards its tools. So, by clicking here you will get various options. It allows you to create lesson plan, unit plan, learning activities, generate quizzes, rubrics, and many more. Let's explore its lesson planner feature. To access this feature, we will click here, and it will land us on this interface. From here we have to enter our topic around which we want this AI to create lesson plan. Let's suppose I want this AI to create lesson plan around understanding photosynthesis. And then in next I have to choose the grade level for which I am creating this lesson plan. Here you have got various options, but we will choose grade 6. Next, we have an option to choose our subject. Here you can see various subjects have been given, but I will go with life and physical science. Moreover, teachers can use their existing content as point of reference for the AI to generate content, whether through file uploads or Google Drive imports. Then the next option you have about instructional model. This AI has various predefined specific instructional models that can be chosen to teach any specific notion. Since we have chosen a science concept, therefore, I will go with a most prominent instructional model, that 5E model. Then we have to click Get Start. This will land us here. The next step is to choose standards or benchmark. Here you can see there are a number of standards are given, you can choose as per your requirement. Now, you can see we have objectives and goal, we can type them manually, but this AI can write it for you. You just need to click AI Generate, and this AI will automatically generate objective and goals for your lesson plan. Once you are done with this step, then next, we have to select the duration of our class. Let's suppose my class is of 45 minutes. Then here comes an option to generate lesson procedure. For that we will click AI Generate, and this AI will automatically generate lesson procedures. So, here we have the entire procedure to implement in our class with specified time duration for each procedure. Then the next step is to create material and resources. For that we have to click AI Generate, and this AI will automatically generate materials and resources for our class. In the next step we will hit Generate Lesson Plan, and here you can see it's automatically generating the entire lesson plan for grade 6. You can see it's writing each and everything. So, in the final look, you can see this lesson plan is about understanding photosynthesis and it's for grade 6 level. The subject is life and physical science, and the duration is 45 minutes. Here comes the objective and goals of this lesson plan. And then lesson procedures, and we are using 5E model to teach this particular concept. Once you are done with this, you will click Continue to next step. It will process, and here comes this interface. You can see this is the lesson plan which we have just created. Next to this you can see a suggestion. This AI tool suggests further modification. You can read these suggestions, and if you want to make changes as per the suggestion, you just have to click it. Let me click it, and you will see this AI will rewrite the entire lesson plan and it will ask you to confirm the changes. Once you think you are fine with the changes, you can accept the changes, otherwise you can reject them as well. Once you are done with these changes and suggestions, you can save your lesson plan. For that you can click Copy and you can paste this entire lesson plan wherever you want in a separate document. Besides, it allows you to download this lesson plan. For that we will click here, and an automatic PDF document of our lesson plan will be downloaded into our system. So, Elena AI lets the teacher create lesson plan and it allows them to work with it at each stage of the content generation process. This lets users create customized and usable content. Besides, this allows to save you work in the workspace as well, which later can be accessed. Now, this time let's explore its quiz generator feature. By clicking, this will ask us the topic around which we want this AI to generate quiz. The process is same as discussed previously. First, we will type our topic understanding photosynthesis. Then here comes the grade level. We will choose grade 6. Then we have to choose our subject. So, it's life and physical science. Besides, we can choose to upload any particular document which actually supports to create quiz. Once you are done with this process, you will hit Get Started. Then the process will initialize. And here comes the next phase. Again, you can choose your benchmark or standard. From here, then content to be covered. AI Generate will write down the entire content which this quiz is going to cover. Once you are done with this process, then you can specify the number of questions. So, let's suppose I want 10 questions. And the time duration we would prefer 15 minutes. Then Elena suggests it will create 6 MCQs, 2 true or false, 1 fill in the blanks, and 1 matching item. Once done with this, we will hit Generate Quiz. Here you can see it's generating quiz for us. Besides, it provides keys for every item as well. Once we are done with this, we will continue to next step. And here comes your entire quiz and some of the suggestions. This AI has suggested some changes. You can read them and apply those suggestions. The process is same as discussed previously. The Elena AI can help with each step of the process, which truly makes it teaching assistant. In this way you can use Elena AI for generating quizzes in single click. This AI tool has got various other features. You can explore them and let us know in the comments section about your experience with Elena. The next thing we want to discuss, which is unique, that is its Drive feature. It allows you to save your work. One of the essential features is its Drive Share feature. Elena is designed for multiple teachers to collaborate. It means you can share your work with your colleagues and even work directly with teachers in collaboration. Here you can see our lesson plan which we created. You can access it and still you can make changes. In order to make changes in your existing documents, you just need to select the text. And then you will get various options to make changes at any stage. Whatever you create using this platform, you can make changes at any time. Let's suppose we want to change objectives and goals in our lesson plan. This time we want to expand the selected text. You can see it is expanding the text. Once it's done, you will get an option to accept or reject it. Once accepted, it will be added in your document automatically. In this way, Elena AI can be used for various purposes. I have tried various AI for teachers, but most of them are superficial and create content that might be out of context and primitive in nature. But Elena AI lets the teacher work with it at each stage of the content generation process. And it lets users create customized and usable content. The best part of this AI is that it is extremely user-friendly and looks beautiful. Let's discuss AI tool number 2. Open your web browser and type Education Copilot. And click the very first provided link. This will lead you to the official page of this AI tool. To log in, we will use our Gmail account. You can follow the same process to access it. After signing in, the final interface looks like this. Now we just have to click Workshop, and from here you can see various features have been given under same page. Now, let's discuss a few of them one by one. Let's explore Recipe Builder. By clicking on it, this window will appear before you. Here you can see it asks about the topic around which we want this AI to generate content. Just next to this, it asks about inputting the grade level. Next to this you will see 4 checklists. The first is about lesson plan, second is about PowerPoint, followed by context builder and educational handout. So, let's suppose I want to input quadratic equation for grade 10, then I will click Generate Resources. This AI will generate content around the input instruction. We just need to wait for it. It will process and bring forth the results one by one. Boom! Here you can see the results in the top right corner, 3 different PDF documents. First one is about context builder, second one is about quadratic equation educational handout, followed by a lesson plan. Now we will open them one by one and check. Let's open the context builder. You can see a separate PDF document will be opened. In this PDF document, the details of the notion have been provided, from vocabulary terms to each and every concept can be seen here. Read the ready-made context builder to have a strong grasp on the concept of quadratic equation before appearing in your class. Once you are done with reading, you can download it and save it on your system. Now, let's check the other auto-developed PDF documents. This time we will be checking the AI-made lesson plan. A very detailed lesson plan can be seen here, as created automatically on our quick prompt. Check out the aim and objectives followed by possible materials that might require to execute the plan. Moreover, modeled practice and guided practice are also available. More importantly, this plan contains the common areas where students struggle most of the time. The lesson plan ends with a suggested way to close the lesson. You can download it by just following the same process as discussed earlier. Let's dive into discuss AI tool number 3. Type u.com in the search bar. This will lead you to the official page of this free AI tool. So, the interface looks like this. Now, we just have to sign in. For that I will be using my Gmail account. Once you are done with inputting your account details, it will automatically sign in. Here you can see. So, this is the prompt bar. Here we'll ask this AI tool whatever we want. As teachers, we always find it difficult to develop lesson plans for our classes, so let us explore whether this AI assists in this regard or not. So, let's suppose I want this AI to develop a detailed lesson plan for grade 7 around the notion of ratio. Besides, I want this AI to suggest the 2 best activities to engage me students in an effective way. Once you are done with typing your prompt, hit the Enter key. This will process and will generate results in a few seconds. Boom! Here you go. You can see that this free AI has developed a well-organized lesson plan in a just single click. Now, let's analyze a little deeper the provided lesson plan. The very first step is defining objectives, and it can be seen here. This depends on how you input the prompt. The more precise prompt could lead to better results. Moreover, a list of resources has been provided as this can assist the plan in a better and productive way. Again, it depends on your prompt to ask for specific resources. And then this AI has suggested 10 minutes for introducing the concept. For that it has emphasized to link the concept with daily life. For instance, teachers are supposed to provide a few contextual examples like how ratio is maintained while cooking something. This will help them realize that they are familiar with the concept. It will help students to connect what they are studying in the classroom with their daily life. This AI has suggested 20 minutes for defining the notion of ratio and explanation of its mathematical notation. Moreover, 30 minutes has been suggested for practicing problem. It has clearly stated how to practice the concept by providing worksheets containing problems related to ratio. More importantly, it has dedicated the next 30 minutes to group activities, where it has been suggested to divide the class into 4 equal groups and further details to execute the activity is provided. Finally, it is suggested to include some games to teach the idea in hand to make the understanding better. Again, if you do not have any game in mind pertaining to the concept and class level, this AI will surely help you in this regard as well. So, in this way we can develop lesson plans to engage students in the teaching and learning process. Sometimes the student asks about practical examples of what goes on inside the classroom. In that case we can use this AI to learn more about the notions. Let's suppose, I want to know a few real-life applications of ratio. Just type and wait for the response. Here you go, a few of the practical examples. As it has provided many, however, ratio can be used while cooking or it can be used to differentiate between students who passed the exam and those who didn't. In this way various examples can be extracted from this free AI tool and can be used in classroom to make sense of the abstract concepts. More specifically, if I want to know how ratio can be used in cooking, I will just type and let the AI respond over my concern. Here you can see how it has generated a detailed response. In this way teachers can use this AI tool to make sure that they are in position to respond to every question from students' end. And the important part is that on the right side various website links can be seen, and to learn more we just need to click and this will lead us to the official pages of various websites from where this AI tool has extracted this very information. Moreover, if we want to add pictures in our lesson plan or in our classroom activity, we can just use this AI. For that we have to click images and it will open various images which can be used to visualize the concepts in hand. Similarly, if you want to make your lesson more vibrant by adding various videos, this AI can provide that as well. For this you just have to click here, and various videos can be seen around the notion of ratio. In nutshell, under one free AI everything is available, teachers just need to be familiar with these AI tools to make their classroom more engaging. Last but not least, AI tool number 4. Which is ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right, this free AI tool can also be used by teachers for various purposes. So, let's explore how this can be used by teachers. Let's suppose I want to develop a lesson plan around the concept of slope for grade 9. I will type it in the prompt bar, it will process and generate auto-response. Boom! It has started generating a lesson plan around my input. Wait for a few seconds to make your lesson plan ready. You can see that it has developed a detailed lesson plan including predefined lesson objectives. Also suggested resources required for the lesson to be taught. Besides, the detailed description of the introduction part is provided. Moreover, it has suggested specific time to complete the direct instruction, guided instruction, and independent practice. In addition, suggested ways to assess students' learning outcomes. Let's explore further. As sometimes teachers feel it difficult to decide which activity works better to make students understand the concept. So, to have better suggestions about activities we can use this free AI tool. Let me ask this AI tool to generate an activity around the concept we are interested in. Just type in the prompt bar and wait for the magic. Here you can see that it has suggested a detailed activity which can be performed in order to make sure students understand the notion very well. Now let's search for real-life examples of the lesson we intended to teach. Type this in the given prompt bar, and you will get numerous examples related to the practical usage of the notion. As teachers we must have practical applications of these concepts in our hand or mind, otherwise there are chances to stuck at some point. Read between the provided lines and select any particular example that you think fits your context or classroom. Besides, if you are not satisfied with the examples provided, you can ask for more examples. In this way you can make various examples part and parcel of your daily routine lessons. Moreover, teachers can use this AI to make themselves acquainted with various misconceptions that could arise while teaching. For that you just need to type, and this AI will help you to figure out possible misconceptions that could interfere students' conceptual understanding. Teachers having knowledge about possible misconceptions will surely help students to get rid of them and make better understanding. In the same way, this free AI tool can be used for other purposes that include quizzes, classroom practice work, pre-test, post-test, and assessment rubrics as well. I believe the AI has the potential to assist teachers and make their teaching more effective and engaging. Using the discussed AI tools in the video, you can expedite your teaching process and make your teaching more innovative. I hope you liked the content. If so, let us know by commenting on the video. Besides, for more such AI-based content, don't forget to subscribe Gurrutechsolutions. We will meet in next video. Till that, take good care of yourself. Bye.